Today I am showing how to connect TCast application from mobile to TV. I will show you step by step options. First, you need to download TCast application from your Play Store or App Store. This will support Android as well as iOS also. First, go to Play Store and type TCast. In my phone already application was downloaded, so it's showing open. Once this application opened, first you need to do connectivity. TV and mobile both should be in one network, same network. If suppose you have Wi-Fi network, then no issue, TV and mobile should be in same network. If suppose you don't have any Wi-Fi network, then you can create an hotspot in the same phone and connect this phone to TV. This is the application UI, user interface. For this application, first you need to click here. In my office there is a Wi-Fi network, so it's automatically showing Android TV, because this TV is already in same network, so it's showing in Android TV. If suppose in your home there is no Wi-Fi connectivity, then you share hotspot. For hotspot, just you open hotspot, click share hotspot and open hotspot, then you connect TV and mobile both same network. Now I am clicking connect Wi-Fi and it's showing Android TV. Whichever you given the name, it will show here. If suppose a TV I given Android, so Android TV, so here it's showing Android TV. If suppose you are giving bedroom TV or union TV like that, accordingly that name will appear in this screen. So I am connecting here. The connection was successfully done. For next, go to TV and find TCast application. For first time you need to download this TCast application, because TCast was already loaded in this TV. You need to just click on TCast application, TCast icon, the automatically application will get download. Suppose you are not finding TCast application in this bar, just go to T channel and select this bar. You can find it here, TCast and browser. Just click on it, because in this TV already download already is there, so it's showing like this. Once this application open, then just go to TCast app. Here there is a 5 option: mirroring, screenshot, cast photo, cast video, cast music. For mirroring, the screen will show your mobile screen to the TV. It will show automatically your mobile screen in TV. For screenshot, the whatever appear in the TV, that screen will capture in your phone. Example, I am clicking screenshot. See that which screen is playing in the TV. that automatically the screen will capture in here. We'll check one by one option. For mirroring, you just click here, first option. Here you can select Android TV, which you are given TV name, that will automatically show. Here you can see now the screen is appearing in TV. The next option is cast photo. This I will disconnect. Then I will go to cast photo. This cast photo and cast video, the particularly which content you need to play in the TV, that content only it will show in the TV. Just click on cast photo and you select which photo you need to show in the screen. That picture only show in the screen. Like this. See. The same thing in cast video also. Just click cast video and just click select which video you need to play in the screen. That image only it will play. Same thing music also. Which music you need to play in the screen, that will only it will play. You can see it here. Like this. So I'm putting like this, you can use it. Just and once again I'm showing how to connect through hotspot. For hotspot, because in my location they are available in Wi-Fi, so I'm checking through hotspot also. For hotspot, just share hotspot option, you can select it and open hotspot. Just I'm going to go hotspot. I'm clicking here. Then I will connect this same hotspot to the TV. here you can connect same hotspot. You can check it here also. I connected the same network, TV and mobile. The mobile also will connect the same network. Then only that communication will happen. See, the same network, both are network only. I hope this information will be useful for all. Thank you.